If you like slingshot videos, stay tuned and watch this.
Yes, there we go. Alright guys, hands up. Come on.
Chips. Sorry, fake it. Chips. Ah, shit! No. Chips, relax. It's coming again. It's my tongue.
In this video, USA Marine rides slingshot and absolutely freaks out. Watch this.
Oh no! You're gonna scream like a girl, ain't you? Oh shit! Oh shit! You're gonna scream like a little girl, ain't you? Oh my god! Ready? No. You ready for this?
I was born.
You ready for this?
Well, I'd rather be back in Afghanistan doing this.
No, you wouldn't. Here we go. Rings are almost collapsed. There we go.
Oh shit!
Here we go.
Hey, can you give me like a countdown?
You guys want a countdown before you go?
You want that countdown? I can't count that with that! Totally right. Holy shit! I'm totally buying the fucking pictures. Oh my.
In this video, she took her hubby on the slingshot. Watch this.
So they can save each other. Wait, my hands are not dry. Wow, they take you all the way.
Alright guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Y'all want to do a countdown live?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh Lord.
Alright guys, I got to do a quick safety check. What I need y'all to do is push up, down in the harnesses, make sure they get unlocked. There you go. Lift your arms up, then make sure everything's attached. Lift your arms up, arms up.
In this video, this dude was so scared got him saying hi to the birds. Watch this.
Oh my God! Bismillah! 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 Alhamdulillah! Rabbil Alamin! Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim! Malik Yawmiddin! إياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم ولا تغلب عليك المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. شكرا عظيم. بسم الله بسم الله. I love you Allah. I love you Allah. I love you Allah. I love being Muslim. I love being Muslim. Oh, hi birds. Hi birds. Hi birds. Hi birds. Hi birds. Hi birds.
In this video, these old couples ride the slingshot. Watch this.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
Alright, the camera's rolling. Say hello to the camera.
Hello, camera. No way.
Alright.
No way.
Bon voyage.
See the top of that? That's where we're going.
No!
Yeah, we are.
All right, here we go. Almost 400 feet in the air. No big deal. You got this.
You what?
Said almost 400 feet in the air. No big deal. You got
That's
this.
right.
You ready?
400 feet.
Heads back. Eyes open.
That's
Heads
100.
back, eyes open!
That's right. You want a countdown or a warning? Which one?
In this slingshot video, this dude chain holding on for dear life. Watch this.
Oh, shit. Boy, no. Boy, I fell out, boy. Oh, God. Boy, that shit's boy, I just fell out.
In this slingshot video, these girls almost pass out. Watch this.
Oh my god. Bro, my heart is about to fall out of my asshole. I'm gonna fucking pass. I'm so scared my titties are gonna fall out. No, if you stop over here, you're gonna pass out. I'm gonna fucking pass out. I'm gonna... You know many Facebook videos I've seen where they just fucking...
Alright, y'all want to count that with me up?
Oh my god. Oh my god, we're done. We're not doing this again. Motherfucker, we just dropped.
In this slingshot video, there are two different girls that react. Watch this.
Oh god, I hate my life. This is, oh my god. I need to go skydiving, bro. This is awesome. Put your hands up! Oh my god. This is actually great. This is a nice view. How do you feel? I hate height. I hate height.
In this slingshot video, you will laugh so hard. Watch this.
I'm scared.
It's so much fun. Hey, you do want to put your head down. Just because it goes fast, and you don't want it to, like, hurt your head. Good? You got it.
Alright, hands on your thighs. Huh?
Hands on your thighs.
Why?
Come on, Natalie.
Why?
There you go.
It's Adelie.
Natalie?
Adelie.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
She has a little bit of an attitude.
Why do my hands have to be on my thighs? Can I hold on?
Well, you know what I like to call this? The attitude of just...
Wait, why do my legs... Ah! Oh my god! Yeah! Oh my god! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You want to hear something really quick?
No!
I have fake teeth. They just flew out when I yelled. No.
Where did they go? I don't know. I was like, why did he say, oh my god? So they just flew out?
Yeah.
Why didn't you take it out before we went? Because I've never had that happen before. That wasn't that bad. So much fun, right? That was pretty fun. It was kind of scary though. And now looking at you is kind of scary. Kimmy, so pretty. So pretty. You're not gonna have a tooth. No. Wait, that's kind of funny. Thanks. Pose. Smile with your teeth. So cute. Yay. I lived. Did you scream things? Yeah. You did? It was fun.
She just didn't know my name.
Excited to show them your...
Still that.
No. Do they know you're Big Chief? Yeah. Really?
How's that?
Good.
Awesome. Want to go get them for the $10 each?
I am...